At the heart of Ahmedabad's bustling neighborhood, Thaltej, a beacon of transformative learning stands tall. Welcome to Canalili School for Children, where every corner of the campus whispers a tale of evolution, creativity, and cherished memories. As we commemorate Canalili's 2-year anniversary, we reflect on the remarkable journey of this institution. Just 2 years ago, Canalili School for Children was founded on the premises where Euro School operated for 12 years. The trustees had a vision to deliver high-quality education in the midst of growing Ahmedabad. The school thrives under the visionary management of Udgam Consultancy. This collaboration brings together Udgam's renowned expertise in progressive education systems and Canalili's commitment to fostering young minds. The school has built a world-class campus, investing in cutting-edge facilities to empower both teachers and students. This includes enhanced transportation, now fortified with air conditioning and GPS, ensuring that from the moment students embark to school, they are enveloped in comfort and safety. The school has embarked on a journey to reimagine learning spaces. Innovation meets comfort in Canalili's classroom. Classrooms have been equipped with smart boards, seamlessly integrated to enhance interactive learning experiences. Coupled with air conditioning, these classrooms provide a conducive atmosphere for students to engage with technology and explore new ideas with ease. An air of discovery awaits in Canalili's science laboratories with state-of-the-art facilities boasting the latest equipment and resources. The toddler play area has undergone a remarkable transformation, now featuring vibrant colors, interactive elements, and age-appropriate equipment designed to stimulate young minds and encourage exploration. This revitalized space fosters creativity, social interaction, and physical development, setting the stage for a lifetime of learning adventures. Furthermore, all furniture in the pre-primary section has been specifically designed to be child-safe, ensuring that each classroom provides a comfortable and supportive learning environment for our students. Building on this foundation of nurturing and innovative environments, Canalili School is equally committed to supporting its educators with the resources they need to thrive in the modern classroom. The school equipped teachers with computers, revolutionizing their workflow. As the campus infrastructure evolved, Canalili also built an innovative curriculum, aligning textbooks, assessments, and programs with educational bodies like CBSE, FRC, and the Gujarat government's NEP policy. Through compulsory teacher training, personalized lesson planning, and targeted remedial classes, the school is providing engaging learning experiences for its students. A new chapter unfolds as the humanities stream joins the curriculum lineup. Humanities serve as a cornerstone for building critical thinking skills and nurturing empathetic minds. The introduction of the nursery program marks an exciting milestone for Canalili School as it enriches the educational offerings to span from nursery through 12th grade. With a comprehensive educational approach that spans all grade levels, the school aims to foster continuity, personalized support, and holistic development for every student. Canalili School's steadfast commitment to holistic development focuses on nurturing both physical well-being and academic prowess of its students. By incorporating sports directly into the daily timetable, the school ensures that all students regularly engage in physical activity, which not only boosts their physical health but also enhances their mental well-being. This structured approach to sports fosters essential life skills such as teamwork, leadership, and discipline. This integration ensures that every student has the opportunity to excel, both academically and athletically, fostering well-rounded development on and off the field. The school's approach emphasizing age-appropriate sports activities ensures that students not only engage in activities that suit their abilities but also foster a love for sports from an early age. The introduction of lawn tennis marks an exciting addition to our diverse sports program, furthering the commitment to providing age-appropriate sports opportunities. The organization of diverse activities and festive events such as the educational field trips, annual function, Garba celebrations and Sports Day at Kenalili School plays an integral role in promoting holistic development and building a strong sense of camaraderie among students. These vibrant events offer a platform for students to display their talents and creativity, enhancing their confidence and self-esteem. Such rich experiential opportunities not only enrich the students' school experience but also foster a cohesive community atmosphere, encouraging them to express themselves and appreciate the diverse skills of their peers. Recognizing the significance of fostering an environment where every student feels valued and respected, Kenalili School has implemented a gender-neutral uniform policy. This policy aims to promote inclusivity and comfort among all students. The Connecting Millions app introduced at Kenalili School revolutionizes communication and involvement between home and school. This innovative platform fosters a collaborative partnership among parents, students, teachers, and administrators, providing real-time updates, academic progress tracking, and seamless communication channels. Additionally, its implementation supports the school's efforts to go paperless, reducing environmental impact and enhancing organizational efficiency. These changes are not just new coats of paint, but profound reforms that enhance learning, inspire creativity, and foster a supportive community. From infrastructural revamps to curriculum innovations, the changes at Kenalili are designed to provide students with the tools they need to succeed in a rapidly evolving world. The reflection of our successful transformation is visible in our students' achievements, both in academics and in their personal growth. This excellence has been recognized on prestigious platforms as Kenalili School has been honored as the Changemaker School by Times Education Icons Group for 2023-24. Additionally, the school received the #1 Design Thinking Leaders in Gujarat award in the Grand Jury India School Rankings by Education World for 2023-24. These accolades not only underscore our commitment to high standards but also celebrate our students' and educators' hard work and dedication. As Kenalili celebrates its 2-year anniversary, it reflects not only on its remarkable growth but also on the boundless potential that lies ahead. Kenalili embraces a philosophy that education is not just about learning facts but about building a foundation for lifelong learning. Every brick laid in the foundations of Kenalili School for Children is a step towards building not just structures but futures. Join us as we celebrate 2 years of growth, brick by brick, idea by idea.